Hi, princess. Ah. No, your milk, your milk. Help yourself, love, love. To drink your milk.
Mama.
What's that? What?
Raman.
Yes.
White one. I'm not going to eat. It's yummy one.
What's laman? It's cheese?
Yeah, it's
Maisi?
wait this off.
It's okay na yan. Ganon talaga yan. There's no palaman na.
I'm going to eat. I found it, Mom.
Ay, wow. You found it?
Yeah.
Where?
Ito.
Okay.
Lemon cheese.
Ah, cheese.
Lemon cheese yan, Mom.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
What's its name?
Nido. Hinaluan ko ng Milo kasi naubos na sa ako.
Cheese
Dila yung nido.
breakfast. Cheese breakfast, Ma. Oh.
Hmm.
Oh,
Yes.
why?
Ah, okay. Has cheese inside?
Yes.
Okay, so it. Not, okay, strawberry cheesecake. Okay.
Mm.
So blow your blow your milk.
I put this, Mom.
No, it's ano yan, nido. It's nido. Blow. Blow, it's nido yan. Oh, try it. You blow it first. Blow it first. It's hot.
Black.
No. I put Milo, small amount of Milo, but it's nido. Oh, nido yan.
Ayoko.
Ay, drink that.
I want need.
Yeah, nido. Look at the I put the nido there. The empty nido, I put it in the basura na. Because there is no laman na.
I like that.
No, it's yummy too. Yummy. Promise.
I not like it. Wala naman. I want like
Nido. You want nido?
No.
Oh, gusto niya daw nido.
My old house.
Kasi healthy too, love, healthy. May nido yan.
My house.
Hindi mo maliba. Bakit daw naging black yan?
I not
Inaluan
like
ko kasi ng nido at saka yung Milo. Kasi kunti na lang yung nido. So, lagyan ko ng Milo. Hindi mo maliba.
Ayoko.
No, it's yummy yan. It's yummy. It's healthy. Because has milk inside. I mix the nido and the